How's it, guys? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, welcome back. Yeah, so in today's session, we're going to go over Bitcoin and a lot of different altcoins. Because if you look at the altcoin markets, if you have a look on crypto bubbles, you can see that on the day, most coins are down. And there's a couple of reasons for that. So I want to go over that. And you can see price down the most because of the unlocking. And then on the 50 minutes, we are seeing a potential move to the upside. So I want to speak about what I can see and what we can say today. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. So let's first start off with BTC and see exactly what's happening with Bitcoin today. Because if we have a look at Bitcoin on the, so if we look at this Bitcoin here on the higher time frame, at the 4 hour, and the daily time frame. Okay, so basically, if you look at this chart, right, have a look at the 4 hour and the daily, right? We have a massive level here at around about 63,500. Okay, so 63,500 is a massive zone that I'll be looking at for potential buys. But if we don't get to that zone, then we will be looking at a potential sell-off. But for example, if you look at what's happening right now, you can see that we're getting a little bit moved to the upside. So if we go down to the lower time frames, at the 4 hour time frame and the 1 hour, you can see over here at around about this level. So this is going to be the zone for Bitcoin. If we can break above 67,371, then I'll be looking for a potential long to the upside. So this would be a potential trade back up to 60, 70K. But if we don't get a break of that level, then we might see a bit more downside. But overall, market still holding this 67K. So we'll see what happens. But essentially, if price closes back above the zone, then yeah, we're gonna have to wait. Okay. So Bitcoin can't really do much now, but we probably will see price go up. And then if we have a look at some other coins, yeah, let's have a look. Atom looking good here. APT looking really good here. So basically, this is what I'll be waiting for here for APT. Yeah, I'll be waiting for this for APT. Yeah, this looks really good. Because if you look at APT, it's literally at resistance here. So if we close above, I'll be taking buys back up to the highs. Yeah, so we'll wait and see here. APT looking good. So we're gonna wait for this. Just give it 9 more minutes and we'll take it long here.
Yes, I wish to propose something. You notice the community is very active from the tree. Just because now, I just believe now it's more of training. And I just believe it's more of training. People
So just waiting for this. If price can't close above here, then I won't take the buys. But until then, we'll wait and see.
It's true that you have done many videos for us to go into, but at times it's so good.
Yeah, so this is the setup. Bitcoin, still waiting for that. But essentially, this is Ethereum. Okay, so if we have a look at ETH, let's look at ETH for example here on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame we already created a massive topic this morning, and then that was actually in the last 4 hours. Then we came down. 15 minutes. Technically still stuck in the range here for Ethereum, because the thing is, for Ethereum, like right now, if we look at the chart, you can see that kind of still holding these lows. Yeah, so we managed to stay above 3,050. So technically, we could potentially see more upside. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for price to obviously wait for price to close above this level here, because if price can close above this level here at 3111, then I'll be looking at a long. Same thing with APT. So this is the setup for APT. Yeah, because if we look at USDT dominance, I'm pretty sure we're going to see it's probably dumping. Yeah, so USDT dominance, this is why we are quite bullish there. If you have a look at USDT dominance, it is still coming down here. So if you look at the chart right now, you can see that we are obviously coming down. So what I'll look for, if price can manage to close below this trend line over here for USDT dominance, then we can look for potential sell-off. But until then, just patience for the setup here for APT. Yeah. APT is still struggling to close above the high. So for me, I can't take the setup until we close above this high, because until then the market can still come down. So wait and see for this. And then ETH, yeah, ETH still looks good, but yeah, can't do anything. If we have a look at the daily, we can see TIA, Filecoin down 4%. So let's have a look at Filecoin. I actually haven't traded Filecoin in a long time. Yeah, I mean, Filecoin's been getting destroyed. Okay, so if we have a look at Filecoin, we can see that, okay, we have a very, very strong daily support around about this level here. Okay, so a really, really strong daily support over here. And then if you look at the 4-hour, same thing. We're forming this downward sloping trend line over here. Okay, so essentially, Filecoin needs to break above that level in order for price to continue to the upside. But unless we stay above this level, things are still looking like it's going to bounce. But if Filecoin manages to lose this low at around about 5.33, then we'll probably see more downside. But until then, we can't really do anything. Yeah, so what I would be doing is I'll be waiting for price to take out these highs at around about this level here. So if we take out this high here, take a long on the breakout here, then I'll be looking for longs. But until then, we can't really do anything. So we have to wait for that. Yeah. So let's see. Basically, I just want to wait for that to happen. So until then, just patience. Yeah. But yeah, just basically just gonna see if price can take out these highs. Because if Filecoin can't break these highs, then we're probably just gonna see a rejection from this level, right? Probably gonna see this come back down to these lows, 5.33. So we'll see. And then APT, same thing. Like the APT can't take out these highs, then it's probably just going to get a rejection. So we're just going to wait for these setups. But yeah, like I'm still just going to wait for the trade, because right now I'm not really okay. Not really going to take any setups based on what I'm looking at now. The thing is, when this bounces, right, we all know when USDT dominance bounces, we normally see price dump, right? So we have to wait for this to continue to go down. But if we look at the daily, like 5 point down, path 4.5 for SCI, 88 2.5, 3.5, TAO -5. Most coins are down. If we have a look at the 5 minutes, yeah, performance is the best. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait for this. I want to see what is down the most. OPs have been struggling actually. We're gonna go through a couple more coins here, because the thing is, like right now the market is kind of can't really do much. Oh shit, check Solana. We might get a dump here for Solana. Yeah, I'm looking to take a sell here for Solana, just at the highs. Once we break this low, I'll take a sell. USDT dominance needs to come up. Yeah, so once Solana actually breaks like this level that I've got here, then I'll take a sell. What is this level here? That's it. Why is it so strong? Let's have a look. If we look left, right? If we look left, we have a strong resistance right over here. This, so yeah, okay, so that's going to be the level, right? So if Solana, and we have already, so. So we should wait for Okay, we're looking at a sell here for Solana, guys. I just want to confirm that we're going to come down here. It's all to do with this chart here with USDT dominance. We need to see USDT dominance close bullish on the next 15. Okay. Yeah, so how's man, how are you? Gary token. Gary, yeah, sure. Let's have a look at what's it called. We looked at this the other day. Yeah, we spoke about it. Like Gary, this was the resistance, right? And yeah, to be honest with you, it's still not looking great. It's like it keeps making lower lows and lower highs. So yeah, I don't think, to be honest, I did actually look at this. But if we have a look at on coin market cap, because the chart doesn't look good, right? So the thing is, when a chart looks like this, we need some fundamentals to carry it through. So if we have a look here, maybe there might be some announcements. We have to check Twitter. I'm not too sure about this project, but let's have a look. They're very active, so you can see over here. Yeah, like they're very active. So Gari, they're still doing a lot to push the ecosystem. If we have a look at the total supply, circulating supply is good, market cap. Yeah, so on the day, like we have been coming up a little bit, but let's have a look here. Okay. Yeah, I mean the thing is, you can see the problem with this is obviously like there's a lot of interaction here, but I do think that okay, this was obviously a while ago, right? But if we have a look here, this is basically the app. You earn points for the interactions received on your original and quoted repost. Yeah, I mean, basically, it's an interactive social app. It's like a social file. So yeah, I mean, it could look good. We just need more pressure, more push. But the problem is like this chart just doesn't look good at all. We need like massive fundamental news to push Gari, and I don't think they have that just yet. There is a few partnerships with Lord of Soul, but nothing crazy. They are really active though. They are really active. I'm actually gonna have a look. The problem is like if you just look at the chart, like how this looks, it doesn't look great. But I mean, if you want to buy this token, it's probably one of the best times to buy because it's so low. Right? If you have a look at the 1 week, you're literally buying it. Like let's just say, for example, this does go to all-time high. like even 3,000%, then over here is like 7,000. So like you can check the website. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look at their Telegram. 64,000 members, that's quite a lot. But I remember this token's been around since like the last bull market. I remember actually looking at this token long ago. It looks really good though. Do dating. I want to have a look at this guy. NFT. So what's that? Have a look here. So just waiting for this setup here for Solana, guys. And then Aptos waiting for buy. Bitcoin not really doing anything. So we kind of just waiting here. I don't think Solana's going to sell off yet, to be honest. But yeah, let's have a look here. Yeah, so just waiting for this. I think Aptos is probably the best bet here. So let's play some music in the background while we wait for the setup. But essentially, this is what we're gonna do today. Bitcoin is good right now. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I think it's a good bounce. I think it's a good bounce. Lana looks so bullish. I don't think we're going to see this. Probably going to buy now. I know what it is. All right. Yeah, the market, we just need to wait here. I think that this is going to play out today for Aptos. We just have to wait. Probably like the next. We have to wait for the next 30 minutes, right? The 1 hour, we could actually wait for the 1 hour close, which would be the 30-minute as well. Yeah, so I'll look for APT longs back up to the highs here. I don't actually trade with bot, no. Do you trade with bot? They launched new bot with zero fees now with million trading volume in just a week. This cost. What is the link to that? Can you send me the link? What, on Gari? Or what are you talking about? So I'm waiting for the sell here for Solana. Let's see. We have to wait for the 50 minutes here. Have to wait for this candle to close. If the candle closes bearish here, we'll take a sell for Solana. But the thing is, right now it has to close below this zone. Yeah, what are you talking about? Vague food level. Are you talking about which bot? Which bots are you talking about? Just in general, or? Okay, so we're gonna wait for this. Bitcoin, I'm not doing anything. APT probably gonna sell off here. If we have USDT dominance go up here, APT should come down, Solana should come down here on the 5 as well. The 15 is looking bearish. A lot of top wicks to the upside. If you look at the 1 hour as well, 30-minute candle close really, really bearish. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take a sell here for Solana, yeah, at the current market price. Stop loss just above the highs. Take profit is gonna be, so we're gonna get a take profit from this high, yeah, from the entry. These will be the levels here. Yeah. So we are in these sells here for Solana, yeah. APT, USDT dominance, Bitcoin looks like it's gonna come down. Okay. So we're gonna take these setups for Solana. Take profit 1 is gonna be over here. Take profit 2 will be over here. And take profit 3 will be at the low here. So we'll wait for this. We'll see what happens. Yeah, that's the setup. Bitcoin getting rejected here. Let's have a look at the 30 minutes. 30-minute close bullish, but respecting. Yeah, we should see price come down here.
说不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，曲风低手像是比赛。你迈呼，迈呼，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。迈呼，迈呼，我 homie swag from Dubai。Monica 不爱坐摩托 ，K L 不爱吃火锅。 其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我以前只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏。
Yo. Okay, so basically, guys, this is what we're looking at, right? So Solana, like, if you look at Solana on the 4 hour, right, we had a massive pump, right, this morning, right? Had a huge pump this morning. But the thing is, right, we have a huge resistance at these levels, because if you look at the daily time frame, this is a massive level at 177, 179, and 180. So between these two zones where we're taking a sell, we're taking at the daily resistance, right? So if this comes down and USDT dominance comes up, then we should see potential downside. So yeah, we're taking a sell here for Solana, so we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. But essentially, this is going to be your TPs. Yeah. APT looks like it's going to come down. I can't really, the thing is, this is the range for APT, so technically you should be buying at the support, right? You should be buying here, and then you should be selling over here, right? So this could be the play for the day, where you can just sell between the range for APT, and then just keep your stop losses above the wicks, something like that. That's what I'll be doing for APT. I didn't actually take the sell, but it would have been a good setup. USDT dominance just needs to come up. Bitcoin, like I said, Bitcoin's quite boring today. But let's have a look at some other setups. Let's see what we can have a look at here. So basically, if you look at, let's go. If we have a look at CRV, nothing. Ethereum, look at Ethereum. Yeah, so Ethereum is also basically with Ethereum, same type of thing where it's similar to what Bitcoin is doing. So basically, if you look at the range, Ethereum kind of broke above this level. Okay, so this was the level around about 3,050. We broke above, retest, came up. So yeah, I think for Ethereum, we have to wait and see how it respects this level here. So if price respects this level, we can see more downside. But if price breaks above this level, then we can see upside. So we just have to wait for Ethereum. Then just Solana, we in sells, APT, not really doing anything. But yeah, that's the setup for today for Solana. Okay. So let's see how this plays out, guys.起风地上像是比赛 In my who, my who 这里不能没有你在 My boo, my boo 今晚 party 不要离开 In my who, my who 后面
心清清楚楚，最后有生自己，有到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的收藏性，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼，一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值，你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知，漫步漫步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，你马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在，马步马步。今晚 party 不要离开，你马虎马虎 ，homies right from Dubai， 棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，你马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。你马虎马虎，我 homies right from Dubai。Monica 不爱做摩托 ，Key out 不爱吃火锅。是莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。
Well, I'm gonna have a look at FET and WorldCoin. WorldCoin's been taking a hammering, guys. If we have a, actually have a look at it. Yeah, WorldCoin's been taking a massive beating in the last couple of days. Let's have a look here. I think this is the chart, but yeah, WorldCoin getting destroyed. Yeah. So have a look at WorldCoin here. I mean, like if you look at the daily, we had that massive run up, right? Literally everything. We had a massive run up, and now kind of just back in quite a big channel here. So the thing is with WorldCoin, looks like we did break below here, but let's have a look here. Yeah, it's actually a space thing. It's forming this type of pattern here. Okay, so this pattern, yeah, I mean, once we break below here, we're going to see a massive dump for WorldCoin. But until then, not much else. Just going to have a look at, yeah, so basically, if WorldCoin, you can see how it's just been consolidating, right? It's been ranging for the last couple of months, right? So essentially, once we break below like this low, we're going to see downside. If we bounce back up here, which is possible, which is probably the more likely, we should see upside. But I mean, this pattern is more of a bearish pattern. So we're going to have to wait for downside. So I'll be waiting for maybe USDT dominance to pump there. Then we can take sells for WorldCoin, but we'll see. But like overall, WorldCoin's just been taking a huge hit, massive hit. Yeah. Yeah, because normally this pattern, right, if it breaks down, you're looking at quite a drop here, back down to essentially this low. From the current price, this would be a 30% drop, which is quite hectic. So Bitcoin can potentially come back to this level. We do have a bit of resistance there as well. So okay, but like right now I can't really do much. We have to wait for the daily candle to close below the range. And then FET, because FET is down 1% within the last 15. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm just going to redraw everything here because it's a bit messy. But okay, so if we have a look at FET on the daily time frame, we can see that, okay, it's forming some type of pattern here to the upside. Then we have some type of pattern like this as well. From here, to be honest. Okay, so essentially we should be selling over here. Should be selling over here and then buying at the bottom here. So for me right now, I'm going to be patient, but it looks like the daily candle did close bearish, and we're still kind of making these lower highs, right? So we're still making lower highs here for FET, right over here, making lower highs, and then making higher lows overall. So we should potentially see this and then a breakout or breakdown, okay? So for me, can't really do anything right now, but I know that this is going to be resistance, okay? The resistance is at the top here. Okay. Technically, we could actually just do something like this. This is way more clean. Yeah. It respects both daily and the 4 hour. Okay, so basically, right now we came up. Looks like FET actually might come down here. We have looked at 15, 30. Yeah, because if you look at this, this was our low right over here, right? This was our support. Okay, then we came back up, retest, and it looks like we're coming down, right? So I do think that FET has more downside than upside. Because Bitcoin's coming down here. USDT dominance going up. Solana. Yeah, still in this setup here. APT still waiting. FET, to be honest with you, FET does look like we might come down here. Because if you look at the 1 hour, you can see we already created that top wick, starting to flip bearish here. So we'll see. We'll see. But Bitcoin's interesting because I mean it's taken a massive beating in the last couple of days. SCR pumping, yeah, on the 15. Have a look here. So we closed above the range here. The next level for SCR is this level. Yeah, SCR looks showing some strength here. Let's have a look here. We'll probably see path up. Phantom up 0.8. SCR should be up a little bit there. But the thing is, I'm not going to take that. Because if USDT dominance is starting to move here, I don't think that this will have much legs. But I mean, it's looking good. SUI, let's have a look here. Chainlink. Have a look at Chainlink here, guys. Yeah, Chainlink's forming a nice little pattern here. Okay. So look at all of this liquidity that's built up right over here. I mean, that's crazy. So basically, yeah, once we get a break below this trend line, we're going to see a massive dump here for Chainlink. Okay. Because if you look at Chainlink on the daily, right, Chainlink's been quite bullish. It created this like consolidation phase over here. Then we had a breakout. we've kind of already hit the target here of this range over here. So like these highs to the left, and essentially that this is our resistance. But we're getting rejected, right? You can even bring this down a little bit to the support over here. We are getting rejected here. So Chainlink looks good for sells today, guys. I do think that I'll be taking sells for Chainlink today, just based on this. And if we get a nice 4-hour kind of closure here, then we're going to take some sells. But yeah, it looks good. Essentially, this will be the setup. You take a sell on the breakout, take profit at this low, stop loss just above this high here. This will be the setup. Okay. What's up, man? What does utility or mean? It's utility. What is the percentage of crypto is an exchange, and how much? What percentage of your crypto is an exchange? I'll probably say like 30% for that. Yeah. But essentially, yeah, WorldCoin basically. If you look at WorldCoin, I'll show you. They actually came to the CoinW office last year, and they actually scanned our retinas, and it's basically to identify who you are. But it's an AI. Now have a look at it. I mean, it's a good token, but I don't know. I don't see the legs anymore. Yeah, waiting for the setup for Chainlink. I think Chainlink's going to dump it, guys. I think Chainlink's going to dump it. But we have to wait for price to close below. Okay. And then Solana, we in the setup here. APT, still waiting for that. Sorry, doing anything in there. But yeah, let's see. Okay, APT is coming down. Bitcoin, the Bitcoin, this level here was the previous resistance. Yeah, I think overall, broke structure over here, broke structure here, eventually come back down to 63K. But if it breaks above 67K, well, then we'll see more upside. Yeah. So just patience, yeah. But you're currently just in this setup. I've been waiting for Chainlink. APT. Yeah, let's see.
Before you get into a group, we have trading signals.
My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes yeah bass drum knock your head 夫妻 is coming 你们教的 beat 破娱乐圈老闭了业是你蓝包装别漏了切产业后台无破实力口嗨你们是龙头要垄断好把 logo 投给你们身子好看照着避免随便卡你后翘着鼻子背着打你头集体对象还不露庙里拜这是治你病快往嘴里塞古巴的劲儿哎古巴个 flow 哎塞把旁边小胖凑哎 raps not best 嘎新疆的腿哎白银黄金我跟大自由 I'm not crazy I'm 中导弹 I'm not gangster I'm 老板蓝图画的像 Disney 其实你好这个意思车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦多多的票是哪能早早回家哎搞什么耍子嘛你别好牛蛋哎呀口子别亮你老婆子嘛 My car goes the beat goes my Future music and coach journey and present to the fuck up. My cargo, the beagles, my cargo, the beagles. 今天老子天天学你的水子水平根本过不了边，扛把扛 pass 我都不管，老作品那根本过不了界。你地图上瞧你瞅我都不看，别来我帮不了你狗日个懒。妄想阻拦极限，被我阻断，球行天花板，你就是拉不干。别做梦做饭做你爱做的，做个没感觉就别做了。天赋和奋斗我都改过了，原来面子给现在你想卖狗子，我厂牌今天骗融资，抢了中国戒指也比样子。飞跑早点蝴蝶子肉，把断你脖子那个破茄子。My cargo, the beagles, my cargo, the beagles, my cargo, the beagles, my cargo.
Just this one. Oh yeah. 喂。S 榜那边转来转去，那个是谁
My car goes, the beat goes, my car goes, the beat goes, yeah. Bass drum, knock your head. 夫妻 is coming， 你们叫的 beat， 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你烂包装别漏了钱。产业后台我破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好把 logo 投给你们身子好看，照着避免随便卡你后，翘着鼻子背着打你头，集体对象还不露庙里拜，这是治你病快往嘴里塞，你把的劲儿哎，你把个 flow 哎塞，把旁边小胖子吼，哎 rap star best guy 新疆的军儿哎白银黄金我可大自由 ，I'm not crazy I'm 中导弹 ，I'm not gangster I'm 老板，烂土话的像迪士尼，比斯尼，其实你好这个意思，车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪行早早回家，哎搞什么少子嘛，你这行就当，哎丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛。My car goes, the beat goes, my car goes, the beat goes, my car goes, the beat goes, my car goes. 火中洗到被喜欢皮层的做到你对面头的就别浪费我做买卖浪费口水背后叨叨叨你还把白眼分给唱词好听唱死了耳朵的油呢从来不傻 Future music and coach journey and present to the fuck up My car goes the beat goes My car goes the beat goes 今天老子天天学你的水子水平根本过不了边扛把扛 pass 我都不管老作品那根本过不了界你地图上瞧你瞅我都不看别来我帮不了你狗日个懒妄想阻拦极限被我阻断球行天花板你就是拉不干别做梦做饭做你爱做的做个没感觉就别做了天赋和奋斗我都改过了原来面子给现在你想卖狗子我厂牌今天骗融资抢了中国戒指也比样子飞跑早点蝴蝶子肉把断你脖子那个破茄子 My car goes the beat goes My car goes the beat goes My car goes the beat goes My car goes
财帮那边转来转去，那个是邪。
My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom. Yeah, bass drum, knock your head. 夫妻 is coming， 你们叫的 beat， 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你烂包装别漏了钱。产业后台我破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好吧留个头给你们身子好看。照着避免随便卡你后，翘着鼻子 bass 打你头，集体对象还不露庙里拜，这是治你病快往嘴里塞。一把的劲儿，哎，一把个 flow， 哎，塞把旁边小胖子后，哎 rap star best guy 新疆的嘴儿，哎白银黄金我个大字球。I'm not crazy，I'm 欲望导弹 ，I'm not gangster，I'm 老板。烂土话的像迪士尼，其实你好这个意思。车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪能早早回家？哎，搞什么说嘛？你见好牛蛋，哎，丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛。My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes 破碎或买火中洗到杯，喜欢 peace 能做到你对面头的就别浪费我错，慢慢浪费口水，背后叨叨叨，你还把贝尔分给唱词好听，嗓子辣，耳朵的油呢从来不傻，夫妻 music 也口是劲儿，你也不占听了报告。My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. 今天老子天天学你的水子戏，根本过不了偏，扛把扛 pass 我都不管，老作品那根本过不了界，你地图上叫你球我都不看，别来我帮不了你狗日个懒，妄想阻拦极限被我阻断，球行天花板你就是拉我不干，别做梦做饭做你爱做的，做个没感觉就别做了，天赋和分的我都改过了，原来面子给现在你想卖狗子，我唱盘今天骗融资，抢了中国戒指也比样子，会跑早点蝴蝶的肉，把断你脖子那个破茄子。My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes
就是这嘛。哦哟，喂，哎，财帮那边转来转去，那个是邪。
My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom. Yeah, bass drum, knock your head. 夫妻 is coming， 你们叫的 beat， 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你烂包装别漏了钱。产业后台我破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好吧留个头给你们身子好看。照着避免随便卡你后，翘着鼻子 bass 打你头，集体对象还不露庙里拜，这是治你病快往嘴里塞。一把的劲儿，哎，一把个 flow， 哎，塞把旁边小胖子后，哎 rap star best guy 新疆的嘴儿，哎白银黄金我个大字球。I'm not crazy，I'm 欲望导弹 ，I'm not gangster，I'm 老板。烂土话的像迪士尼，其实你好这个意思。车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪能早早回家？哎，搞什么说嘛？你见好牛蛋，哎，丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛。My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes 破碎或买火中 中洗到杯，喜欢 P 的坐到你对面头的酒杯，浪费我做买卖，浪费口水，背后叨叨叨，你还把白眼分给嗓子好听嗓子辣，耳朵的有那从来不傻，不去 music， 口是真理也不敢听的风格。My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes 今天老子天天随你的水子洗，根本过不了别，扛把子扛 pass 我都不管，老作品那根本过不了界，你地图上叫你丑我都不看，别来我帮不了你狗日个懒，妄想阻拦极限被我阻断出航天花板，你就是拉花不干，你做梦做饭做你爱做的，做个没感觉就别做了，天赋和分的我都改过了，原来面子给现在你想卖狗子，我厂牌今天骗融资，抢了中国戒指也比样式，飞跑早点蝴蝶子肉，把断你脖子那个破戒指。My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes
哎，腮帮那边转来转去，那个是谁？
My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes yeah bass drum knock your head 夫妻 is coming 你们叫的 beat 破娱乐圈老子闭了业是你蓝包装别漏了钱产业后台无破实力口嗨你们是龙头要垄断好吧留个头给你们身子好看照着避免随便卡你后翘着鼻子背打你头集体对象还不露庙里拜这是治你病快往嘴里塞你把的劲儿哎把个 flow 哎塞把旁边小胖子后哎 rap star best guy 新疆的军儿哎白银黄金我可大自由 I'm not crazy I'm 中导弹 I'm not gangster I'm 老板蓝图画的像迪士尼比斯尼气死你好这个意思车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦多多的票是哪能早早回家哎搞什么少子嘛你这行就当哎丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛 My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes 破碎货卖货中洗到杯喜欢 P 的坐到你对面头的酒杯浪费我做买卖浪费口水背后叨叨叨你还把白眼分给嗓子好听嗓子辣耳朵的有那从来不傻不去 music 口是真理也不敢听的风格 My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes 今天老子天天随你的水子洗根本过不了别扛把子扛 pass 我都不管老作品那根本过不了界你地图上叫你丑我都不看别来我帮不了你狗日个懒妄想阻拦极限被我阻断出航天花板你就是拉花不干你做梦做饭做你爱做的做个没感觉就别做了天赋和分的我都改过了原来面子给现在你想卖狗子我厂牌今天骗融资抢了中国戒指也比样式飞跑早点蝴蝶子肉把断你脖子那个破戒指 My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes
财帮那边转来转去，那个是谁？
My car goes The beat goes My car goes The beat goes Yeah, bass drum, knock your head. 夫妻 is coming， 你们叫的 beat， 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你蓝包装别漏了钱。产业后台我破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好吧留个头给你们身子好看，照着避免随便卡你后，翘着鼻子背着打你头，集体对象还不露庙里拜，这是治你病快往嘴里塞，古巴的劲儿哎，古巴克 flow 哎，塞把旁边小胖子吼，哎 rap star best guy 新疆的嘴儿哎，白银黄金我跟大自由 ，I'm not crazy，I'm 中央导弹 ，I'm not gangster，I'm 老板，烂土话的像迪士尼，比斯尼，其实你好这个意思，车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪能早早回家，哎，搞什么少他妈你这行牛蛋，哎，丫头子别亮你老婆是妈 ，My car goes The beat goes My car goes The beat goes My car goes The beat goes My car goes 破碎或买火中洗到被喜欢 peace 能做到你对面头的就别浪费我做买卖浪费口水背后叨叨叨你还把白眼分给唱词好听嗓子辣耳朵的油呢从来不傻夫妻 music 也口是真理也不沾turn the fuck up My car goes The beat goes My car goes The beat goes 今天老子天天学你的水子戏根本过不了边扛把扛 pass 我都不管老作品那根本过不了界你地图上说你丑我都不看别来我帮不了你狗日个懒妄想阻拦极限被我阻断出航天花板你就是拉不干别做梦做饭做你爱做的做歌没感觉就别做了天赋和分的我都改过了原来面子给现在你想卖狗子破厂盘今天骗融资抢了中国戒指也比样子飞跑早点蝴蝶子让把对你脖子那个破戒指 My car goes The beat goes My car goes The beat goes My car goes The beat goes My car goes
哎，财帮那边转来转去，那个是谁？
My car goes The beat goes My car goes The beat goes Yeah, bass drum, knock your head. 夫妻 is coming， 你们叫的 beat， 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你蓝包装别漏了钱。产业后台我破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好吧留个头给你们身子好看，照着避免随便卡你后，翘着鼻子背着打你头，集体对象还不露庙里拜，这是治你病快往嘴里塞，古巴的劲儿哎，古巴克 flow 哎，塞把旁边小胖子吼，哎 rap star best guy 新疆的嘴儿哎，白银黄金我跟大自由 ，I'm not crazy，I'm 中央导弹 ，I'm not gangster，I'm 老
板，烂土画的像迪士尼，鄙视你，其实你好这个意思。车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪行早早回家。哎，搞什么少子嘛，你这行就当哎，丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛。My crackers, the beagles, my crackers, the beagles, my crackers, the beagles, my crackers.火中洗到被喜欢皮层的坐到你对面头的就别浪费我做买卖浪费口水背后叨叨叨你还把白眼分给唱词好听唱死了耳朵的油呢从来不傻夫妻 music 也口是真理也不占成了风格 My crackers The beagles My crackers The beagles 今天老子天天学你的水子戏根本过不了边扛把扛 pass 我都不管老作品那根本过不了界你地图上找你丑我都不看别来我帮不了你狗日个懒妄想阻拦极限被我阻断出航天花板你就是拉不干别做梦做饭做你爱做的做个没感觉就别做了天赋和分的我都改过了原来面子给现在你想卖狗子我常排起那骗笼子抢了中国节奏也比样子飞跑早点蝴蝶子让把对你脖子那个破茄子 My crackers The beagles My crackers The beagles My crackers The beagles My crackers
哎，腮帮那边转来转去，那个是谁？
My car goes The beat goes My car goes The beat goes Yeah Bass drum Knock your head 夫妻 is coming 你们叫的 beat 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼死你烂包装别漏了钱产业后台无破实力口嗨你们是龙头要垄断好把logo投给你们身子好看照着避免随便卡你后翘着鼻子背打你头集体对象还不露庙里拜这是治你病快往嘴里塞你把的劲儿哎把个 flow 哎塞把旁边小胖子吼哎 rap star best guy 新疆的劲儿哎白银黄金我可大自由 I'm not crazy I'm 中央导弹 I'm not gangster I'm 老板烂土画的像迪士尼鄙视你其实你好这个意思车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦多多的票是哪行早早回家哎搞什么少子嘛你这行就当哎丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛 My crackers The beagles My crackers The beagles My crackers The beagles My crackers 破碎火满火中洗到被喜欢皮层的坐到你对面头的就别浪费我做买卖浪费口水背后叨叨叨你还把白眼分给唱词好听唱死了耳朵的油呢从来不傻夫妻 music 也口是真理也不占成了风格 My crackers The beagles My crackers The beagles 今天老子天天学你的水子戏根本过不了边扛把扛 pass 我都不管老作品那根本过不了界你地图上找你丑我都不看别来我帮不了你狗日个懒妄想阻拦极限被我阻断出航天花板你就是拉不干别做梦做饭做你爱做的做个没感觉就别做了天赋和分的我都改过了原来面子给现在你想卖狗子我常排起那骗笼子抢了中国节奏也比 The beat goes boom, 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 boom. My car goes. The beat goes boom, 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 boom. My car goes. The beat goes boom, 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 boom. My car goes.
财榜那边转来转去，那个是谁？
My car goes. The beat goes. Boom, 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 boom. My car goes. The beat goes. Yeah, bass drum knock your head， 夫妻 is coming， 你们叫的 beat， 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你蓝包装别漏了钱，产业后台我破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好把logo投给你们身子好看，照着避免随便卡你后，翘起鼻子背打你头，集体跪下还不露庙里拜，这是治你病快往嘴里塞，一把的劲儿哎，一把个 flow 哎，塞把旁边小胖子吼，哎 rap star best guy 新疆的腿儿哎，白银黄金我可大自由 ，I'm not crazy，I'm 中央导弹 ，I'm not gangster，I'm 老板，烂土话的像迪士尼，逼死你，气死你，急死你，好这个意思。车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪趟早早回家？哎，搞什么少他妈你这行牛蛋？哎，丫头子别亮你老婆子妈！My car goes, the beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes, the beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes, the beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes. 火慢火中洗到背，喜欢 P 那做到你对面头的就别浪费我做买卖，浪费口水背后叨叨叨，你还把别人分给唱词好听嗓子辣，耳朵的油呢从来不傻，夫妻 music 也口是真理也不闪turn the fuck up。My car goes the beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes the beat goes boom 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 boom. 今天老子天天随你的水子洗，根本过不了边，扛把子扛 pass 我都不管，老作品那根本过不了界，你地图上叫你手我都不看，别来我帮不了你狗日个懒，妄想阻拦极限被我阻断，出航天花板你就是拉不干。别做梦做饭做你爱做的，做歌没感觉就别做了，天赋和分的我都改过了，原来面子给现在你想卖狗子，我唱盘今天骗融资，抢了中国节子也比样子，飞跑早点蝴蝶子肉，把断你脖子那个破茄子。My car goes the beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes the beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes the beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes.
哎，财榜那边转来转去，那个是谁？
My car goes. The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes. cheese coming，你们叫的比破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你烂包装别露了怯。产业后台我破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好把 logo 投给你们身子好看，照着避免随便卡你后，翘着鼻子背着打你头，集体对象还不露庙里拜，这是治你病快往嘴里塞，你把的劲儿哎，把个 flow 哎塞，把旁边小胖子吼，哎 rap star best guy 新疆的劲儿哎，白银黄金我可大自由 ，I'm not crazy I'm 中导弹 ，I'm not gangster I'm 老板，蓝图画的像迪士尼，逼死你，气死你，急死你，好这个意思，车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪能早早回家，哎搞什么少子嘛，你这行就当哎，丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛。My tacos, the beagles, my tacos, the beagles, my tacos, the beagles, my tacos. 破碎火慢火中洗到被喜欢 P 的做到你对面头的就别浪费我做买卖浪费口水背后叨叨叨你还把别人分给唱词好听嗓子辣耳朵的油呢从来不傻 Fuji music 也口是劲儿你也不占听了报告 My tacos The beagles My tacos The beagles 今天老子天天学你的水子戏根本过不了边扛把扛 pass 我都不管老作品那根本过不了界你地图上叫你球我都不看别来我帮不了你狗日个烂妄想阻拦极限被我阻断球行天花板你就是拉花不干别做梦做饭做你爱做的做个没感觉就别做了严复和分的我都改过了原来面子给个现在你想卖狗子我厂牌只能骗笼子抢了中国节子也比样子飞草早点蝴蝶子让把断你脖子那个破戒子 My tacos The beagles My tacos The beagles My tacos The beagles My tacos
哎，腮帮那边转来转去，那个是谁？
My car goes The beagles My car goes The beagles Yeah Bass drum knock your head Fuji is coming 你们叫的比破娱乐圈老子闭了眼是你烂包装别露了怯产业后台我破实力口嗨你们是龙头要垄断好把 logo 投给你们身子好看照着避免随便卡你后翘着鼻子背着打你头集体对象还不露庙里拜这是治你病快往嘴里塞你把的劲儿哎把个 flow 哎塞把旁边小胖子吼哎 rap star best guy 新疆的劲儿哎白银黄金我可大自由 I'm not crazy I'm 中导弹 I'm not gangster I'm 老板蓝图画的像迪士尼逼死你气死你急死你好这个意思车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦多多的票是哪能早早回家哎搞什么少子嘛你这行就当哎丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛 My tacos The beagles My tacos The beagles My tacos The beagles My tacos 破碎火慢火中洗到被喜欢 P 的做到你对面头的就别浪费我做买卖浪费口水背后叨叨叨你还把别人分给唱词好听嗓子辣耳朵的油呢从来不傻 Fuji music 也口是劲儿你也不占听了报告 My tacos The beagles My tacos 天花板你就是拉不干。别做梦做饭做你爱做的，做个没感觉就别做了。天赋和奋斗我都改过了，原来面子给现在你想卖狗子，我厂牌今天骗融资，抢了中国戒指也比样式。飞跑早点蝴蝶子肉，把断你脖子那个破茄子。My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes
哎，腮帮那边转来转去，那个是谁
？My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes yeah bass drum knock your head 夫妻 is coming 你们叫的 beat 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼死你烂包装别露了怯产业后台我破实力口嗨你们是龙头要垄断好吧留个头给你们身子好看照着避免随便卡你后翘着鼻子背着打你头集体对象还不露庙里拜这是治你病快往嘴里塞古巴的劲儿哎古巴克 flow 哎塞巴旁边小胖子后哎 rap star best guy 新疆的腿哎白银黄金我可大自由 I'm not crazy I'm 中导弹 I'm not gangster I'm 老板烂土画的像迪士尼气死你好这个意思车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦多多的票是哪能早早回家哎搞什么少子嘛你见好就当哎丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛 My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes 破碎火慢火中洗到被喜欢皮层的做到你对面头的就别浪费我错慢慢浪费口水背后叨叨叨你还把别人分给唱词好听唱死了耳朵的油呢从来不傻夫妻 music 也口是真理也不占成了报告 My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes 今天老子天天学你的水子戏根本过不了边扛把扛 pass 我都不管老作品那根本过不了界你地图上叫你丑我都不看别来我帮不了你狗日个烂妄想阻拦极限被我阻断出航天花板你就是拉不干别做梦做饭做你爱做的做个没感觉就别做了天赋和奋斗我都改过了原来面子给现在你想卖狗子我厂牌今天骗融资抢了中国戒指也比样式飞跑早点蝴蝶子肉把断你脖子那个破茄子 My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes my car goes
财报那边转来转去，那个是谁？
My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom. Yeah, bass drum knock your head， 夫妻 is coming， 你们叫的 beat， 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你烂包装别露了怯，产业后台无破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好把logo投给你们身子好看，照着避免随便卡你后，翘着鼻子背打你头，集体对象还不露庙里拜，这是治你病快往嘴里塞，古巴的劲儿哎，古巴克 flow 哎，塞把旁边小胖子吼，哎 rap star best guy 新疆的劲儿哎，白银黄金我可大自由 ，I'm not crazy，I'm 中央导弹 ，I'm not gangster，I'm 老板，烂土话的像迪士尼，气死你好这个意思，车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪行早早回家，哎，搞什么少子嘛，你这行就当，哎，丫头子别亮你老婆子嘛 ，My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes The beat goes boom 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 boom. My car goes 破碎或买火中洗到杯，喜欢 P 的坐到你对面头的酒杯，浪费我做买卖，浪费口水，背后叨叨叨，你还把贝尔分给，嗓子好听嗓子辣，耳朵的有那从来不傻，夫妻 music。